Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. The Mercy and Ike Show, Episode 7. Ike takes Mercy on romantic getaway. Ike and Mercy had the best of their week on a romantic getaway on this week's episode of their reality TV show. The super couple that has been having their boats rocked lately with a lot of distraction were able to surprise their fans and lovers that they have not seen it all. The Mercy and Ike show is the best place to keep up with the adorable couple, and I must confess it was a nice sight to behold, getting the assurance that their love has a strong cord which is yet to be broken. Ike commenced the romantic getaway by going shopping for flowers to present to his love. He really meant business this time and wouldn't trade it for anything. After getting the flowers, he left for something else, but we'll talk about that later. So Ike decided to arrange a plan to spend time with Mercy. He would have loved to see Mercy step out of the car in a breathtaking dress, arriving at the venue of the dinner. Ike didn't keep the beauty waiting. Before arriving at the venue, he trusts Captain Ike. He was looking dashing as usual. Appearing with a bouquet of flowers was the best way to welcome a lady on a dinner date. Mercy sure loved them and she couldn't hide her feelings. Mercy and her man Ike got talking, but after a moment they kissed surprisingly, and it was the best moment of the night. This was the first kiss on their reality show after so much struggles in their relationship. The kiss indeed was a relief and assurance there was still love between them. As their conversation continued, it was even more romantic as Mercy told her man that she is thinking of settling down and can't wait for Ike to propose to her. In what seemed like a rehearsal, Ike brought out a ring and slotted it into her finger. You can say the ring was too big for her finger, but the sight was romantic. The fact is, Ike's ring said it all, as the smile on Mercy's face at that moment was worth $1 billion. Who else can't wait for this to be official? Knowing the storm is over for Mercy and Ike is such a relief and a good moment. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.